Hello friends, welcome to Kitchen Island Decoration, your ultimate destination for all things kitchen island decor. We believe that the heart of every home is the kitchen, and the focal point of that kitchen is undoubtedly the island. Whether you are a seasoned home decoration or a dye enthusiast, our channel is here to inspire and guide you through a world of innovative and beautiful kitchen island design. Our dedicated team of experts scouts the latest trends, combines them with timeless classics, and presents you with a treasure trove of creative ideas to transform your kitchen island into a functional and aesthetically pleasing centerpiece. From rustic farmhouse charm to sleek modern minimalism, we cover a wide range of styles to cater to every taste and space. Expect in depth tutorials, step by step guides, and insightful tips that will empower you to embark on your own decorating journey. We delve in the 90 gritty details from selecting a perfect count- countertop material to choosing the right lighting fixtures that create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Our carefully curated content ensures that you are equipped with knowledge and inspiration to bring your dream kitchen to life. But we don't stop there. Kitchen island decoration is